I want to speak about our postgraduate diploma in Big Data Analytics and Artificial Intelligence, and it's also offered as a full MSc program. The course is a mixture of two of the biggest topics in the computing world at the moment, data analytics and artificial intelligence, with 3 specialised modules on each. Normally we work in a block system where students study 2 modules at a time, and each module often takes place over 1 day. In addition to that, students will be expected to carry out 10 or more hours per week of independent study on assignments or extra work for that module. Within the programme, half is AI and half is analytics. So within AI, we have the traditional machine learning. And machine learning, these are the big models that are revolutionising the world and have really driven massive tech. So we get an understanding of these, how they work, where the data comes from. In addition, on the other side in the data analytics, we have a specialist module, which is not common in other courses, on big data architecture. So actually how the infrastructure is set up and configured that underlies big data. And that might be of appeal to those who are more inclined towards infrastructure or cloud type of engineering. It's a very, very broad range of people coming in to study, because essentially we do analytics for other disciplines. So we get a range of people now, as well as the traditional computing graduates. We have a lot of people who've studied maybe conversion courses. In recent years, we've had people coming in from music, from archaeology, from health studies, lots of different areas, because analytics is very, very powerful in a broad range of industries. Typical entry requirements for this course is to have an undergraduate degree in a computing discipline, and grades from that would have been a 2.2 or above. Within ATU, we've a large increase in research at the moment, and there's lots of PhD opportunities, and each year we often get a couple of graduates who will progress on to full PhD programs based at ATU. Our program has been running for 6 years now, and we've continually update and tweak it, but one of the things that makes it unique is that we've got particularly a mixture of data analytics and artificial intelligence. There's lots of other programs which only focus on one. We understand that either one by itself is not enough, because when you go out into the world, some people talk about wanting AI, but they actually really need data analytics, and vice versa. So an understanding of both is very important, and that's what we try to deliver. For any students considering a career, this could be a good choice, because the jobs, if you look through the job market, these jobs are in all industries at the moment. So what you do is you give yourself a lot of options, and you also bring yourself up to date. These 2 areas of data analytics and AI are leading the tech industry, and all organizations want them. So you put yourself in a very powerful position. Plus you'll have a postgraduate diploma and a master's, which no one can take away from you.